When it comes to heating a home with an indoor stove or fireplace, the type of firewood used can significantly impact both the efficiency of your heat source and the safety of your space. Selecting the right wood makes sure it has a longer burn time, greater heat output, and less creosote buildup, which can pose a fire hazard, especially dangerous in off-grid or SHTF situations when there may not be anyone to come clean out that chimney. So here are some of the best types of firewood for use in indoor stoves and fireplaces. Hardwoods. Oak. Widely regarded as one of the best firewoods, oak is a dense hardwood that burns very slowly and provides a high heat output. It also has a low sap and resin content, which minimizes the amount of creosote that accumulates in your chimney. Maple. Another excellent choice. Maple also burns slowly and provides a lot of heat. It's easier to split than oak and produces a pleasant aroma when burned. Birch. Birch burns more quickly than oak or maple, but it still provides a good heat output and has a beautiful, bright flame. And it's particularly handy when you need to warm up the house quickly on a cold day. Ash. Ash is prized for its ability to burn on its own without needing to be mixed with any other woods. It has a fast ignition time and it burns very hot, making it ideal for heating up a space quickly. Fruitwoods. Apple. Apple wood burns slowly and it emits a nice, sweet-smelling smoke. It's excellent also for use in cooking as well as heating, adding a subtle flavor to smoked meats and other dishes. Cherry. Like apple, cherry wood burns slowly and it has a great aroma. It's less dense than hardwoods like oak and maple, so it burns a bit more quickly, but it still provides good heat output. Some other good choices. Beech. Beechwood has a high heat output and burns very cleanly. It's another hardwood that is excellent for long, cold nights. Hickory. Known for its strong, lasting heat, hickory is also one of the best firewoods for cooking, particularly in smoking meats, due to its strong, savory smoke. Some firewood to avoid. It is equally important to know what types of wood to avoid. Softwoods like pine, fir, and spruce can be problematic in indoor settings because they tend to burn rapidly, produce less heat, and create more creosote buildup. Seasoning is the key. Regardless of the type of wood, proper seasoning or drying is crucial. Wood should be cut, split, and stored out of the rain for at least 6 months to a year before burning. Properly seasoned wood will have cracks in the ends and sound hollow when it's struck against another piece of wood. And a moisture meter can be used to ensure the wood has a moisture content of 20% or less, which is ideal for burning. Choosing the right firewood for your indoor stove or fireplace is essential for maximizing efficiency and safety. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and ash provide long-lasting burns and high heat output, making them ideal for heating. And for those that enjoy a more pleasant aroma and occasional cooking over the fire, fruitwoods like apple and cherry are excellent choices. But always ensure your wood is well seasoned to avoid excessive smoke and creosote buildup. And remember, burning hardwoods like oak, maple, and ash significantly reduces creosote buildup in your chimney, which is crucial in emergency or SHTF scenarios where professional chimney cleaning may not be available, preventing the risk of a devastating chimney fire.